Hello, I'm Isabella Almeida, came here to talk a little to you about this wonderful product Ocuprime. Nature's secret for healthy eyes and vision. Support vision health with Ocuprime's proprietary blend of 24 powerful ingredients carefully selected from nature. A new solution to support your vision and wellness. Keeping your eyes healthy makes it easier to enjoy your favorite activities, such as reading, watching TV, playing games with friends, taking walks or going sightseeing. My name is Dan Trout, and all my life I was fascinated by the eyes. Of all the senses, the eyes are the ones that help us discover the world, and that's why I looked for ways to keep them healthy. Thus, I will share with you some of these. 1. Practice frequent hand washing. Wash your hands regularly to prevent dirty heads getting in contact with your eyes, eyeglasses, and contact lenses. 2. Protect your eyes from the sun. So aside from making a fashion statement and adding oomph to your overall look, put on those sunglasses to protect your eyes. If wearing them is not up your alley, UV-protected eyeglasses or contact lenses will do. Putting on caps, visors and hats are also advisable. 3. Stay hydrated. Sufficient fluid intake is essential to your body's overall well-being, including the eyes. 4. Get enough sleep. Just like the rest of your body, your eyes need to recharge too, and this happens while you sleep. So make sure that you get sufficient shut-eye each day to keep your eyes revitalized and healthy. 5. Keep a balanced diet. Beta-carotene, lutein, omega-3, lycopene, and vitamin C, A, and E are essential for maintaining your eye health. Make sure that your diet is infused with different foods that are rich in those nutrients. Or, if you don't have enough time to buy or prepare these kinds of foods, you can try Ocuprime. Because me and my team have already included in this formula: Eye Bright, quercetin, bilberry, lycopene, magnesium, rutin, grape seed, zeaxanthin and lutein. More other 15 useful vitamins and minerals, all of them having the mission to support your healthy vision. The #1 rated eye formula. Just give it a try. In the creation of Ocuprime, we have looked at more than 60 clinical studies to find the right ingredients to optimize eye health and vision, including night vision. So, all you have to do is to give it a try. If you're still uncertain, I understand you. And to take the risk out of ordering. Every bottle of Ocuprime comes with a full 60-day guarantee. You can try it out and see its effects on your eyes and vision with absolutely no risk whatsoever.